We had someone on pretty savvy earlier and just saying, you know what, forget growth, just buy value. If there is a recession or a slowdown, these are already discounting it, and just don't deal with any type of growth stocks. Do you ever look at macro things like that, or you're always in your own universe with tech and you don't, you're always going to be able to find something you think is a good buy there?
Well, my own universe is tech, so those are the companies I actually know. It's the dynamics with customers that I know from our own investments. We talk to the customers a lot on what's driving their long-term strategy, and that's why I think tech is still really a good investing area. You know,
we used to talk about who would get to $1 trillion first, and they all did. The ones that you thought would, that might get there before Apple, eventually got there. They're not all still there, obviously, but everybody's touched that mark at this point. In the top 5, are there some that you think are better positioned? And we know who we're talking about when we, the Microsofts, the Apples, the Amazons, et cetera, Facebook.
Well, I think that the top 3 are Amazon, Microsoft, and Alphabet or / Google. Because they are really the cloud infrastructure players. It's like buying the modern operating system. You can't operate your company without picking one of those cloud vendors in their cloud infrastructure. We saw last quarter that in the cloud business, although it's not segmented that well for any of those companies, but it looks like overall growth in that sector of their business was, for each of them, was greater than 40%, 75% for Microsoft. And this is not a winner-take-all market either. You're not going to just pick one cloud platform. You'll probably pick multiples. So all 3 of them are the leaders in the cloud infrastructure area. The 4th company in that sector would be Alibaba, because they also have a cloud platform. So I think those are really 4 interesting picks, because you cannot run your enterprise without buying the cloud infrastructure from one or more of those companies.